11.1 Procurement Overview. Using this knowledge area, the project manager plans, executes, controls, and closes all purchasing-related activities. If you have little experience in procurement management, we suggest that you pay close attention to this section of the course. The processes in this knowledge area are equally distributed across the 5 process groups. Here's a few key points to remember. Purchasing does not begin until the project has moved into execution. Procurement refers to when the project's performing organization acquires goods, materials, or services from sources outside the organization. Procurement is not only related to purchasing. It also includes renting and leasing. Equipment, materials, and services belonging to the organization are not considered procurement, but rather internal resources. Buyer versus seller. For the PMP exam, remember, the project manager will more often than not be the buyer. He or she will purchase, rent, or lease the equipment, materials, or services required to complete the project. Sellers may also be known as vendors, contractors, and subcontractors. HR versus procurement. Both the HR and procurement knowledge areas are utilized to onboard project resources. The HR knowledge area is used to acquire resources who become members of the organization, and the procurement knowledge area is used to onboard project contractors and subcontractors. Regardless of whether the HR or procurement knowledge areas are used to onboard resources, in the end, these resources become members of the final project team. Procurement Department. For the PMP exam, remember that the procurement or purchasing department is key in making changes to contracts and issuing complex documents such as the request for proposal, RFP, and invitation for a bid, IFB. We will discuss both of these in detail in a later module. Any changes to contracts or key decisions in the procurement knowledge area are usually referred to the procurement department. Contract. A contract is a verbal or written mutually binding agreement where 2 parties agree to exchange goods or services. Later on in this section, we are going to explore the different types of contracts used in project management and identify their risk dynamic. Purchase order. A purchase order is the simplest type of contract. You may know this as a PO. A PO is a type of contract that is unilateral. It is used for commonly purchased commodities and equipment. Letter of intent. Letters of intent are used to showcase the intentions of 2 parties entering into a contractual relationship. A letter of intent is non-binding. It simply states that one party has the intention to enter into a contract with another at one point in time.